Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Skillshare class, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the name or title of your Skillshare class? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the title or the name of your Skillshare class anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to split, test different titles. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Skillshare teacher dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Skillshare teacher account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and change the name or title of your Skillshare class, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little play button. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to go ahead and click here, classes you're teaching. Okay, here you're going to see all the classes that you have. You can see I just have these 3, and you want to choose the name of the class you'd like to change the title of. So for example, this one right here. Okay, so once you click on there, you're going to see this menu here to the left, and to change the title of your class, click here on class detail. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here, and you want to look for this section here called class title. It has a red dot next to it. As you can see, by default, it says my class. However, this is a class on the software Honey. So let me go ahead and change this to HoneyBook Mega Tutorial Class. Okay, once you're done, up here on the top, depending on how far along you are from building your class, you can click on Save Draft or Submit. If you submit, this is going to submit it to Skillshare. So for this one, I'm going to click on Save Draft. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see it's saved. So now I have changed the title of my class on Skillshare, as you can see right here at the top. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the name or the title of your Skillshare class, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.